Right, so question 4, right? Question 4, you've got find where the line and the circle cross each other. So, first of all, step number 1, if the rearrange, this is the line equation, so rearrange that. So, do you want to leave x or y on its own on the left? Okay, 6 plus y. So that's step 1, done. That's step 1. Alright, x is equal to 6 plus y. Step 1, that's step 1. Step 2. Okay, step 2. Step 2, write down the circle equation. And what do you put in for x? 6 plus y. How do you square out 6 plus y? Okay, that's the long way. How do you do the quick way? Square the first one, 6 by 6. And yeah, square the last, y times y. And multiply the two of them by each other, 6y, and double it. See that? So all of that is equal to this. 36 plus 12y plus y squared. Alright, now we continue on. Write down. Okay, now we add the y squareds together. That becomes 2y squared. Alright, and we'll move the 26 across. 36 minus 26 is 10, isn't it? Yeah. We'll just rearrange it so we have the 2y squared first.
Two book twos. My ones are, I said the book ones are home.
Just sit down for a second. What do we divide across by?
2.
2 into 2 goes once. 2 into 12 goes. 2 into 10 goes. The factors of 5 are 5 times 1. How do we get 6? Yeah. So we've got y plus 5 is equal to 0. Y plus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 5. Y is equal to minus 1. That's step 2 done. Y is equal to minus 5. Y is equal to minus 1. Step 3. Step 3, you use your first equation, you're going to use it twice. What were our two y values? Minus 5 and minus 1. There are two y values, minus 5 and minus 1. We have to get our two x values. So on this side we'll put in y is equal to minus 5. X is equal to 1. On this side we'll put in y is equal to minus 1. Okay. Will we look at another question?
Yeah.
You can watch these again later.
So I don't know how you got 12. On step 2.
On step 2.
Yeah.
How I got 12?
Yeah.
Alright. When I square this out, see this here?
Yeah.
And this is rough work over here. So you square the first, 6 by 6. Square the last, y times y. It's y squared.
Yeah.
And then you multiply these two. 6 times y is 6y, and double your answer.
Alright.
12y.
Yeah.
So I had it written there. Right, what's the next question?
The hardest was 6, 7,
6, 7, 8. Step 1, question 6. Alright. 4x minus y is equal to minus 3. Now we have x squared minus y squared is equal to 0. Right. So what we have to do here is, first of all, this is the line equation and this is the circle equation. So step 1 is to rearrange the line equation. So y is already singular, so we'll leave minus y, we'll move the 4x across, minus 3. Y needs to be positive, so we'll change the sign of everything the whole way across. Alright? Sit up there. Right. So there you go. That's the first. Is that alright? Does everybody understand that?
Yeah.
Right. Step 2 is to look at the circle equation. Write down the circle equation. So it is and what you do this time, instead of y, you put in 4x plus 3 here. And you need to put brackets here. Right? Looking up, sitting up, looking up. We have to square these the brackets here. So we'll do it at the side, rough work. What's 4x times 4x?
16.
What's 3 times 3?
9.
3 times 4x is 12x, and double it. Alright, so you have x squared minus brackets 16x squared plus 24x plus 9. And now with the minus, you have to change all the signs. Alright, now you tidy up what you can. So what's x squared? So it's minus 15. Let's move it up a bit. Minus 15x squared minus 24x, and that's minus 9 is equal to 0. You can change all the signs. Now you can divide everything by 3. Now we need the factors of 5x squared, which are 5x times x. Over here, the factors of 3, 1 times 3. So we need 5x times x, and try the 3 there, and the 1 there. Does that work?
Yeah.
That's 3x, and that is 5x. If you add the two of them together, you get 8. So it's a plus 3 and a plus 5. Right, so now you got 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. You've got x plus 1 is equal to 0. 5x is equal to minus 3. Divide both sides by. Look it up. 5. X is equal to minus 3 over 5. On this side you've got x is equal to minus 1. So that's step 2. bit longer.
Turn them off pluses there.
Sorry?
Why do you turn them off pluses?
Alright, so they're all minuses, I can change them all to pluses. It's best to have them as plus. It's always best to have x squared as a plus. Here I divided across by 3, and here I started to factor it. Got the factors. So x equal to minus 3 over 5 and x equal to minus 1. Now step 2 done. Step 3 is to write down your rearranged equation. See that? Y is equal to 4x plus 3. Your rearranged line equation twice. (4x plus 3). Y is equal to 4x plus 3. Alright, and replace x with 3 over 5, minus 3 over 5. Quiet there.
So that should be minus 1.
Oh yeah, this one is minus 1. Right. So you can use your calculator so you don't make mistakes. So I don't make a mistake. So So 4 times minus 3 over 5 and plus 3. And that happens to be 3 over 5. So your x value is minus 3 over 5. And your y value is 3 over 5. That's what you're looking for. Over here, your x value is minus 1. And then your y value is 4 times minus 1 is minus 4 plus 3. Y is minus 1 as well. There are 2 points.